Oh, hi, my lovelies. Thank you for being here. My name is Jen, and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today is a really very short video. I just want to show you how you can make homemade Hostess Cupcakes. So I have a chocolate cupcake recipe on my website. So any recipe that you see on this video, on social media, the ones that I post on social media, you can head on to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. All the recipes are there. Meal planning, quick, easy recipes, baking, and cupcake decorating. So you can find that on my website. So just go ahead and head on there. Well, not right now, okay? Let me show you first how to make this homemade Hostess Cupcakes. It's really simple. All you need is just, you bake the cupcakes, some chocolate, some butter, and buttercream. I also giving you the buttercream recipe that I always make, and it's really best for this cupcake decorating. So let's go ahead and start. Get all your cupcakes ready, and we're going to fill them with buttercream. Use a start tip, fill the bag with buttercream, insert it in the middle of the cupcake, squeeze the bag and fill it in, and make sure that you smooth the top. Now we're ready to melt the chocolate. Use about 2-3 tablespoons of butter and melt the chocolate until they're smooth. Now dip the cupcake into the melted chocolate and then let them set. Put them in the fridge for about 10 minutes before you pipe all those loops on the cupcakes. Okay, my lovelies, so that was fun, right? It just takes a little bit of practice, and by the time you know it, you're gonna be a pro on making those loops on top of the cupcake, you know, icing the cupcake with chocolate ganache. So it's pretty simple, right? So practice, 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 and then by the time you know it, you're gonna enjoy this homemade Hostess Cupcakes. So now you don't have to wonder how they make it, because you know how. So please enjoy the cupcake and share this video with family and friends that need help with cooking, baking, or cupcake decorating. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.